What's up, y'all? My name is Chris, and today I'm teaching y'all how to do the reverse vertical 8 ground roll. I love doing this trick because, yes, I love flowing in the air, but have you ever thought about going on the ground? Probably not. So I'm gonna teach you how to do it right now. Your prerequisite is going to be your standard, just reverse vertical 8. You're gonna get down on the ground on the second beat, so it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. On the second, you're gonna flick your arm back with the Flowstar. It's gonna roll, and you're gonna grab it right off the ground. And yeah, it's pretty simple. I can do it again for y'all real quick. Boom, boom, boom. Just like that. You can even do some variations that I like to do. You can go between your legs, going backwards, and catching it right between your legs. And yeah, you can just play around with it. You can even go behind your legs. You can just mess around. That is the reverse vertical 8 ground roll. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and have a blessed day.